Are you looking for the best 13 by 6 lace front wig brown straight hair? In this video we will look at some of the best 13 by 6 lace front wig brown straight hair on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 13 by 6 lace front wig blonde golden straight hair. High quality synthetic lace front wigs are synthesized from high quality heat resistant fibers, and shaped without falling off. The hair is very soft and smooth. The touch feel like human hair. 13 x 6 lace front wig. 13 by 6 inch Swiss lace front wig, invisible, soft and breathable. 22.5 inch average size, medium size cap with adjustable strap and 3 combs for easy adjustment and durability for comfortable wear. Number 2. Blonde unicorn synthetic medium long. Made from 100% unprocessed virgin human hair in its natural color, this wig is healthy, strong, and takes colors well, with minimal shedding and lasting up to 2+ years with proper care. The 180% density provides a thick, full-look bob wig. To address the persistent issue of heat and discomfort associated with conventional wig caps, we has ingeniously crafted a breathable wig. Our goal is to ensure superior ventilation and lasting comfort, making it the perfect choice for extended wear. Number 3. 13 by 6 lace front wig brown straight hair synthetic. Straight wig. 26 inch straight wig. Dark brown color make you more fashion. Natural hairline with baby hair look like your own hair. Transparent lace. Soft transparent Swiss lace make the wig looks more natural and more comfortable. Hair material. Straight lace front wigs with brown highlights. 100% high quality heat resistant high temperature fiber, super soft and no tangle, can be straightened. Number 4. Blonde unicorn lace front brown wig long. Attention please, customer satisfaction is very important. If you are satisfied with our hair, please give us 5-star positive feedback. If you are not satisfied with the item you received, please contact us before leaving negative feedback. We would like to work together with you to resolve any dispute. Color as the pictures. Cap type lace front cap as the pictures. Number 5. Dark brown short bob cut synthetic lace. Glueless design. Featuring a glueless design, this wig is easy to wear and remove, making it convenient for daily use. Ideal for cosplay and older women. Perfect for cosplay events or older women looking to add a youthful touch to their appearance. 13 by 4 lace front size. The 13 by 4 lace front size ensures a comfortable fit while maintaining a natural look.